Alright guys, we're going to do hive inspections here. I haven't done it in a little while. We're well overdue. This is the hive we bought from Kelly's Bees. I think the queen's missing. We're about to find out. Start building that out. Some drones. Packing plenty of nectar. See all the nectar in here? No eggs. Oh, the nectar here. I mean, that's good. It'll make me feel better if I see some eggs. Yeah. Yeah, see, it's capped. It wasn't capped last time. So that's good. That's good, maybe she's in there. That's what I want to see if there's cat or not. So we have plenty of nectar in here.
Well, we already got the queen cells. We'll just leave the SD.
There's two queen cells.
What queen cells? Wait, those are pretty much.
It's heavy.
What
Queen cells. That was cool. Is that a queen?
It is a queen. How big is flooded?
Nope. I mean, if you're not smoking these bees, they're not being very aggressive.
They're actually pretty calm. Got a little bit of nectar in there.
Not a big nectar, really. I mean, that's good. So, when she does, if the queen does emerge, wait a minute. What's that bee right there? There's a couple of them. Alright guys, this is the hive from the split from a buddy of mine. We're gonna get in here and see if we can find the queen in this one. I think there's one. Hopefully she's laying. We're gonna find out. Oh! This one's really super. That's that. Yep. Yeah, here in a minute. This is great. They look kind of funny now, ain't they? Yeah. Strips.
That's when you're smoking coming handy. Get them all off the top and you scrape that shit off.
Wow, that frame's heavy.
Yeah, they got my cap and everything.
That's cat brood. Well, now remember, it was brood on here.
What?
Yeah. Need to see eggs. See, that's honey.
Water brood. And they got honey all the way around it. Pretty normal. I'm gonna build this out, maybe.
That's pollen. The old stuff. Yeah. That's just my cat. Or the queen.
She should be, bro. Her shoe should be over here.
I'm pretty sure they're not.
You don't cat. She should be in here. She's amazed.
There's some eggs. It should look like there's larvae in there. Yeah, look in the middle.
That's what I was looking at.
Yep.
Queen gotta be around here somewhere.
No, she should be where they're laying, not where they're hatching. I'd like to find some laying.
That's the queen.
Yeah. That's her, ain't it?
Yeah. Yeah, look at the box she rolled up.
Yep. That's her.
Push it. Here's the queen.
Yeah, that's what I want to see.
Probably
Just trying to find comb to lay in, yeah.
laying.
That's complete. Right now we know what exactly looks
There's a lot of larvae on this side too. Nectar.
Filled up, dude.
I don't have any of the wax foundation though for medium.
Or just put them all in.
I traded Jerry because he likes the wax foundation. There's some pollen. It's pollen. Yep, that's full of larvae too. Oh, there's eggs in the top. Toward me. Right below the nectar.
Yeah.
See them there? They're right below the nectar.
Yeah. Oh, put in there.
That's good. The outside is. This was the inside of it. I'm curious to see what's in here. Come on. I couldn't see nothing. They didn't separate. Frames.
They did start building out on that one.
Did it?
Fun.
Yeah.
Got a lot of pollen and nectar going.
Yeah,
That's pretty much all this is. So I'm gonna put one of these in the middle and see if they build it out, and I'll check it about a week and see.
It shouldn't take them a week.
Not if it stays warm.
It's supposed to stay warm.
I can check one day this weekend if it gets. It's not raining.
Rain.
We found a queen in this one. That makes me happy. Some brood, some eggs, some larvae. Capping a lot. They're still not filling out some of the plastic foundation, but we'll give them another week, see what happens. If not, I'll order some of the beeswax foundation and try that. Now we're gonna go on to the third one. This is the swarm hive. All right, guys, here goes the third hive. This is the swarm that was in this tree. I just dumped it in there. No build out frame, nothing. Awesome. Yeah, that's crazy. Trying to find them things. Yeah, I'm pretty sure there's a queen in here. They just have to draw out the comb to lay eggs, so I think we're good. That one down there, I'm pretty sure it doesn't have a queen. But it does have a cap queen cell, so hopefully we'll have one soon. In the middle hive, we'll have to keep an eye on it for a while. Might have to add another deep to it here soon. Alright, thanks for watching. Let us know if you got any comments.